Hello, I'm Luka Remec. So I did organic chemistry at the Scripps Research Institute in San Diego, La Jolla, this summer. So I worked with Dr. Kiri Engel, the PI of the lab, and my mentor, Madison Wagner. And so you hear chemistry, you might think, oh, this is going to be complicated. Don't worry, it's not that complicated. So transient directing group enabled alkene difunctionalization is what I did the entire summer, and that's when you switch these two aryl groups, and when you switch them, they can create the big important thing, glowy. So I made each of these three chemicals. The green is this one that has the phenyl groups and the oxygen groups, and the methoxy groups make the blue. And so these are the pure chemicals that we made, and the purification process is very, very difficult. You have to run the chemicals we made through silica powder, and then with hexanes and also ethyl acetate, you need to filter it all out. And the end product is nice glowy stuff that we use to possibly inject into cancer cells to make them glow and be properly imaged when x-rayed. So this is the NMRs. This is how we really figured out if we had a pure product or not. And so we used dibromomethane, the scariest chemical ever, in our NMRs to really figure out where the peaks were for each chemical. And so the aldehyde is the product. That's the yield that we want, big aldehyde peaks. This one was my best one that I made. And yeah, the peaks are hydrogen atoms of the molecule. So this is my work in the lab. This was my very first Sonagashiro reaction. I did all by myself. I'm very proud of that. And then this is me doing prep plates. That's also purification. My first glowy, and that's also purification. These are the three other undergrad interns that were in my lab, and I had a bunch of fun with them. We went out and had lunches. They were great. Missed them. Outside the lab, I got to hang out with my two amazing host parents, Mary and Haley. They took me in. I feel like they were my adoptive moms. And this is River, my favorite little boy, and also Miles. And then this is the beach day we did as a lab down in La Jolla. So my advice for other interns is always don't be scared. Just jump into whatever you're doing. Take every opportunity given, because it goes by fast and there's not a lot that you can do. Make friends. I had made so many great friends there that I'll have forever. And lastly, most importantly, don't play with dibromomethane and dangerous chemicals. It doesn't work out. Thank you, everybody. Also, River.